You see, life is a journey of constant motion, and sometimes we find ourselves stuck or uncertain. But it's often just that first push, that initial step, that changes everything. In this fast-paced world, the impact of forward motion is remarkable. Just imagine a tiny snowball rolling down a hill, gradually gaining size and strength. That's how momentum works in our lives too. Each step forward, no matter how small, contributes to the bigger picture. The secret is in the energy we generate, creating ripples of positivity that extend beyond our journey. Get inspired, stay determined, and embrace the journey. Every bit of effort counts. Every moment creates momentum, and momentum motivates the spirit. Let's ignite this momentum by nurturing our determination and embracing the labyrinthine beauty of our journey. Every breath and every inch, every spark adds to this momentum. Let's share these sparks. Let's embark on this journey. Let's keep this momentum alive. A beacon of inspiration and motivation to each other.